As a child, I had rheumatic fever, and it left me with some damage to my aortic valve.
It sets up a very chronic inflammation of the heart valves, and people may present 20, 30, 40 years later with a more severe valve problems. She started to become very symptomatic with the symptoms of aortic stenosis, which were some chest pain when she exerted herself, shortness of breath with exertion, and also fatigue.
I could have had a massive heart attack, which could have been fatal.
She had an aortic valve replacement, which is the treatment for aortic stenosis, and surgery went extremely well.
My prayers were indeed answered. I prayed that I would be surrounded by a super team of doctors and nurses, and I had just that.
It's extremely gratifying to me. I think we all have that same sort of philosophy at Memorial. Everyone embraces that patient and family-centered care.
I enjoy walking a lot, exercising. I'm very active at my church with the children, and now I have a new valve, a new heart. I am grateful to the Memorial team for the excellent service they provided, the excellent care.